The other thing, Kevin, I want to ask you is I know people out there with EDI. Is this going to impact EDI? Not impact complementary? What do you think there?
No, that's a great question, and that's one of the more common questions because I think everyone's like, wow, what is this replacing something? And the answer is no. EDI has been around for a long time. I was part of the EDI work group and the barcode labeling work group in the mid 80s.
We met there.
We probably did, right? It started working on the first ASN that was ever done via electronically versus a fax machine. So no, EDI still has a place, right? EDI is really strong and really good at point-to-point and EDI communications, and then EDI is really good when you want to receive the data and put it into your system. So as an example, a supplier wants to send an ASN, they're going to do it via EDI. That ASN data, that shipment data, goes into the customer's receiving system and updates their inventories and gets put into their ERP. So those use cases are perfect for EDI. For Catena-X, it's more the complex data where you really want to see not move data from one point to another and then be done as a one-time thing, but where you want to move data up and down the supply chain, and not to store or save the data, but just to have visibility. That's the key of where the issues are or what the data is without storing it. And that's the beauty of Catena-X, and be able to do that very quickly.